How to make everyone can see your followers on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can see your followers on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and here you will find this one, followers and public content. And here just go down until you find this one, who can see your followers. Click public, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.